welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a slow connection on NordVPN. You see, a slow NordVPN connection can be very annoying, especially if you're trying to stream or download something. Here are some things that might help. 1. Connect to a closer server. The further away the server address is, the slower your connection might be. So try connecting to a server that is very close to your actual location. Then 2, you can change the VPN protocol. NordVPN uses different protocols for encrypting your data. Some are faster than others. Try switching to a different protocol in the app settings. You see options like NordLynx, OpenVPN, or IKE V2. So just change to a different protocol. You should get faster. Then you can also reduce the number of devices connected. Because if many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi network, it might slow down your NordVPN connection. So try disconnecting some devices you're not using at that moment. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful.